On Jubail Road, we started the bakery. This is, we already made the grinding over here. Now we started the repairing. This is the hall. This is full leg is not there. And you can see the grinding is going, the voice is coming on the rod. I will show you. Start the repair over here. This is the control unit. We have to fill the sealant. TC27 for some material. EPO 100. We already did the grinding over there. We start the repairing over here. You can see this stitch is still dry, not dry. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will do the plan. This inside one room is there. This is the room. That one is the main cooking room. This is the this is the arranging room. The material is arranging over here. Around 700 square meter. This is a TC repair.